little bit about your personal life. You don't speak that much about your personal life.
Yes.
Not a lot of your fans know that you're married.
Yes.
I can actually hear hearts breaking right now. So, not a lot of people know that you're married. You don't really speak about it. So, I mean, how is it at home? Like, do you leave your work on the set and then come back home and not think about it? What is it like?
See, I've never been. I've always been very open about my marriage. I've like never said anything that is contrary.
Like you're guarded.
No,
about
exactly. No.
the
So
private
I'm
life.
just like thinking.
Yeah.
So I've never been this thing about it, but I choose not to talk about my personal life because it's none of anybody's business.
True.
You know, I mean, what I do on screen or what I think about films is what is required for this profession. I like to keep it that way. I also love if I could not take work every night at home and answer phone calls at 11 and 12 in the night saying, "Ha, aapko narration dena hai," and I go like, "Do you know what time it is?" So like it's really bizarre. I'd like that not to be able to do that, but on the other hand, you know, we are in a field that works for 24/7. I tweeted something one day saying that I wish there was a Sunday, and Rishi Kapoor said that hello, listen, you have to do that for yourself if you want it because the industry is gonna work. And I'm like, that's so true. I have to decide, like, no, I want a Sunday, sort of a thing.
Yeah.
So, but trust me, in our field, there are so many Sundays.
There are.
When the time is whatever bad, there are Sundays only, and then you're sleeping
Might
at
as
home.
well not want those Sundays and work tirelessly.
You're sleeping at home and you're just waiting for work to come. And trust me, that comes in everybody's life, no matter how big a star you are. Sometimes there are times when you're just sitting at home. But one friend of mine from the industry one day told me, those periods are so crucial that you vegetate. And vegetating is very, very crucial for an actor. And I said, that's true. So I have mixed feelings about all this.
But that will never happen to you because you do like a lot of theatre, so you will always have that to
yeah,
go to.
I do a lot of theatre. In fact, my last play just got over, and we're starting a new production in December, which is a really good one. I'll announce it soon. And so yeah, I'm doing simultaneously that. I do my contemporary dance, and I also like to spend time with my family, go on holidays and trekking. So I sort of try and do everything.
Do everything. So I mean, you do everything in terms of filmmaking. Have you ever thought of becoming a director or writing a script or?
You know, recently I did think of doing something, and I'm developing a couple of ideas. So it's at a very nascent stage right now. If it turns out becomes something, I'll be more than happy to talk about it. But right now, because it's so nascent, I don't want to jinx it.
Okay.
You know?
Fair enough.